In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add music or audio to your Shopify store, giving your online space a sonic identity. Let's dive right in, as I'll guide you through embedding audio without the need for additional apps, using just HTML and a little know-how. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Content section and find Files. This is where you'll be uploading your audio file. Shopify supports formats like MP3, which is a great choice for its universally compatible nature. Go ahead and upload your selected MP3 file. After uploading, copy the file URL. This link is what you'll use to reference the audio in your code. Now let's head over to the part where you'll insert the audio HTML code. In this step, you'll utilize the HTML element for audio embedding within a section of your Shopify theme. Typically, you would do this through a custom liquid or custom HTML block. To give you a clearer picture, your code will look something like this. Your browser does not support audio playback. This snippet ensures that users have control over the playback, and it provides a fallback message if their browser doesn't support audio. Once you've got your HTML snippet ready, it's time to decide where you want this audio player to live on your site. Navigate to the online store, then click on Themes and Customize. Pick the page or section where you think your audio would have the most impact, whether that's the home page, a specific product page, or even a blog post. Add a custom liquid or HTML section and paste the HTML code you prepared. Remember to save your changes and preview them to see how everything looks. Testing across different devices is crucial. Make sure the player loads correctly and plays smoothly whether you're on a desktop or a mobile device. This step is essential, given the variety of devices your customers might use. For instance, if you choose to embed the audio in a blog post, simply toggle to HTML mode within the post editor and paste the snippet. While testing on mobile, it's important to keep in mind that many browsers disable autoplay by default to save data. This means that users will likely need to press play to enjoy your audio content. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to add audio to your Shopify store without any apps. Follow these steps, and you'll create a more engaging and interactive experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.